Hey everyone, my name is Janice and I'm a design team member for Tonic Studios. I'm here with a tutorial for the Eye of Newt potion bottle. As you can see, it's one of these smaller die sets, but it still has a lot of pieces that you can create with it and decorate with. Definitely for Halloween, but I can see it being used as like message in a bottle, fairy bottle, things like that. So you don't have to use just what you see, you can still change it up. As you can see, we have the skull and bones, we have the spider and the webs. This says Eye of Newt, trick or treat, poison, and venom. This is the RIP, like the coffin, and this is supposed to be like a spooky banner, which you can put these two on. The rest of the pieces are going to be for the cork and the actual bottle itself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how many to cut of each one. This will be for the main bottle itself. You're going to need to cut 4 pieces. This is for the bottom of the bottle. You'll only need 2 pieces cut. This is for the top of the bottle. That one you only need 1 piece cut and it automatically cuts out the middle part for you. This is also towards the top of the bottle. You'll need 4 pieces. This is for the cork at the top of the bottle to close it. You'll need 4 pieces. This is also for the cork top, so it can cover it up. You'll only need 1 piece cut. Go ahead and fold all the glue tabs on the pieces. Once you have everything folded, I'm just going to set these over to the side. These are all the bottle pieces that we'll be gluing together, and then these 2 are going to be the topper. Let's go ahead and do this piece. I feel like it's fairly simple and pretty quick for us to do. So I'm going to set these over. Now we have these 4 pieces. They're actually going to glue onto the tabs of the main piece, just like this. Next, we're going to glue the side pieces together to go around like that. For this, we're just going to do one at a time. So we'll fold that, and then we're going to glue this on top, this, and then this, so it all sticks together. When you're done, you should have something like this. And then we can get started on our bottle. So let me flip these over, and these are our 2 bottom pieces. We're going to have one to cover up glue tabs and then one on the inside. So we'll just glue these onto the square, and then we'll put the last piece on top. you have this done, we're going to go ahead and glue these sides together. Next, we're going to glue the tops together like this. Something like this. We're going to grab these pieces and go ahead and glue them side by side. This is what you should have. These little flaps at the bottom are actually going to go inside this hole, and we're going to glue them on the inside like this. So I'm going to grab this piece and glue it in there and then go all the way around. And since it's a pretty small hole, I'm just going to add the glue because I can still move it around if I need to when I put it inside. Then I just kind of pinch all the way around the sides just to make sure it stays. And then the last piece is the top of the bottle. This one, we're going to glue these flaps to the inside of this top piece, just like this, and that'll be the top of the bottle. Is what you should have for the top and the finished bottle. Then the only thing you have to do is just put this on and it'll be done. Of course, you can decorate before, during, or after. Since I'm just using this one for the tutorial for you guys to see, I'm going to decorate it after. But usually decorating before you put the pieces together will probably be a lot easier unless you have a lot of like pop-up pieces, then that'll probably be best to wait till the end. But if it's pieces that are glued directly on, just go ahead and place them on there so it's a lot easier to position, because you won't be able to push too much unless you have something like your finger on the inside pushing down or some kind of tool to help you kind of stick it on there. Really, any way works, just whatever works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on mute and then go ahead and decorate the bottle. I am done. I have glitter all over. I'll probably clean that up after this, but just wanted to show you, I did a quick little simple bottle. Thought it'd be cute to use some pinks and some chunky glitter at the bottom, and then I did a little bit of the stamp ink at the bottom to kind of go from dark to light. But I think it came out really cute. I really like these bottles because they're pretty simple to put together. It's definitely great for a beginner, or if you have kids. I think that they could probably do this one, and they probably have a lot of fun just decorating it. But yeah, you don't have to do just Halloween. Like I said before, you can do pretty much any theme, any reason, little party favors, lots of cute things. I really like this little, like how it fits just perfect in there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys get to create lots of fun little potion bottles. Thank you guys again, and happy crafting. Bye.